gotta check this screen a bit. There we go. Put that up there.
Okay.
E volume. I had to turn down because I was trying to play the SCP game. Oh!
No, I just fixed that.
Anyways, yeah, welcome back to more Paper Mario.
Yay!
Last time we got to the crystal place thing.
Well,
We never started. We just stopped here last time. Love it.
Vommit's dead.
Hearts. That doesn't restore your star power.
No.
Wow, that's pretty.
It's fake, watch it! I believe it's fake.
It's a shiny mirror.
It's fake.
Reminded me of a world from Bomberman. Save block. Okay, that's good. Nope. Oh well, we'll see what that is later. Bats!
Fight him. I think you gotta use it.
Yep. I was forgot what I was supposed to do that time.
You should give it a vomit. Don't make sure.
We'll blow them to smithereens. Yeah.
Murder!
What will we upgrade?
Health!
Alright. Ugh, it's so warm here tonight.
We got a star storm back.
Yeah, that's good. Oh, pfft.
Kill him, same way. Same method.
Yep. I gotta get in better position real quick, hang on. Oh, I gotta take my flip-flops off. Okay. Ah. There we go.
Oh!
Explode them all.
Ain't gonna live up again.
Probably. Like, remember, if we see where all them things are. Coinage. Good to have it. It's a box. A chest. What do we got? Blue key. We have blue key. What's it for? I have no idea because I've never seen this part yet.
Don't question it, just take it.
This is X for.
Don't need it, so.
Try using a bomb. Nope.
No, nothing.
Oops, save. Flag. Okay, let's see. I see blue key, blue door. That makes sense.
Wait, go back first. Check was back. Okay, you went up, so that's a different door. I think.
Yep, looks like it.
No bets. No, same.
Alright. Let's go back.
Oh, I think you raised the whole place.
Yeah.
Check the external, maybe it's... No, okay.
Still nothing.
Alright. What?
Nah, I was checking there's a 4 panel on the ceiling. I mean, ceiling panel, not 4 panel. Use the blue key on the blue door. Here we go in. Oh, bombs.
Your Mario's missing.
Yeah, I noticed that. Aha.
Get the coin box first.
Okay.
Never leave a coin behind.
Mm-hmm.
It's the rule of the world.
And look at these guys again.
Oh. Nice. Thumb up! Okay.
Boom! That like bit. Alright, what's it gonna do? Oh, turn to a bomb. Turn to 2 bombs. Start storming out. It's their most used thing in the game. They gave him a chance to attack. 8 star points. I should have gave you more.
Yeah, it's only 2 weak things.
Mario's so strong. Durr. Keep on going.
Wait, what's straight over?
I think it's just a wall.
Probably a different door now. It's on this side.
Let's see. Up. Let's try going on in. It's a block. Yay! Can never hit.
Oh, he's trying to hit him. Oh, nice. Oh, Star Storm.
Quick hammer first to get them 2 down.
Yeah, power bomb.
Yay, happy.
Yeah, go back soon. What you call it back?
Star power. Flower power.
Yeah.
No, he's still alive.
Power bounce.
Yeah, I didn't even do anything there.
Or you just bounce on him.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yep, they got him. 10 star points. More flower power.
Don't go down, first go over.
Gorp.
Nice.
Yep. And yeah, kick. Always Star Storm. Oh god. Yep. Alright, time to blow him up. Oh, I can't.
Power bomb, how we doing?
Yep. Gets almost all
So
of
what's
them.
the difference?
I don't know.
Bounce on him, just jump.
Okay, so they change to whoever our partner is.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Should put him in the Goomba.
Yeah.
Wait, what's straight over?
I think that's the way we came.
No. I meant that way, yeah.
Oh.
Key?
Nope. A shooting star.
That's useful.
Yeah.
Good enough. Now, do you ground pound?
Burp.
Quick camera. I don't think she can do anything. Nope. Switch. Boom.
Yep.
Bow. Oh, kissy bugs. So you go, okay.
Ugh.
Just jump on him.
I don't care, I'm using Star Storm.
Waste.
Ugh.
You'll get 10 sub points.
Ah, I'm not gone yet.
Oh. Smack. Definitely dead.
Yeah.
Just jump on him. At least now you only have to block one. Jump.
That's all we can do. Yeah, 1 flower point. And now let's see what we got.
No. Do not waste that. Don't matter about. You can go back if you want.
Yeah, I'll probably go back.
The next all the way back though. But all the enemies are gone. You went to
Yeah.
the no, wrong way.
Right.
Yeah. It's just one door, one door.
And here's the star piece.
I'm pretty much gonna go all the way back around.
I'm curious. This looks suspicious. Yep.
No.
That doesn't work. Hang on. Gotta change it to blue. Ah! Let's just get some drink. Where's my bottle? Oh, here it is. Second. Okay, here we go. Which way was the thing?
Straight. Click right back at the beginning.
Probably, yeah. Yeah. Back angry girl.